The idea of the classic big house is changing, and that could reshape parts of the housing market right now. So, here in Long Island, right, everyone is talking about how we have these gigantic McMansions in places like Levittown. Well, experts are now saying that what many of us used to think of as an idea of a massive square footage and grand rooms is becoming way less attractive to today's buyers because guess what? All that big ass space has to be filled with heat and light and electric. And people are starting to realize that these oversized homes are coming with oversized costs. They're often called McMansions and they're still standing tall, but higher costs for property taxes, insurance, and everything else in life, including maintenance, are starting to outweigh the positives and the appeal of having this huge home to actually fill up and heat and deal with. Buyers are increasingly prioritizing function over scale, energy and efficiency, and lower operating costs and smart home features. So they're trying to figure out the best spaces to have outdoor living. They want access to amenities such as courts. They want modern living. They want less is more in key hindsight, right? So here's the real shift, right? People aren't rejecting space. They just want to figure out how to better utilize their space and where to scale bigger and where costs make sense. If costs run too much, it doesn't fit how families can actually live today because guess what? They have to scale down on things like vacations, eating out, and etc. With the market constantly changing and everything costing a gazillion dollars, homeowners are thinking about selling a large scale property in today's market. That's why you're seeing so many huge houses go up, right? Older homes with more traditional designs and that are more efficient are pretty much not staying on the market. If you're updating things in your home, the important things that you want to consider are things like insulation, lifestyle things, windows. People want amenities. People want things that are more appealing, which mean less upkeep and less finances. So whether you're thinking of like buying or downsizing, keep in mind that you want to live with space purpose, and that's what's becoming more important to home buyers and home sellers. So when you see a McMansion going up, think about it. Would you really want that space? If money wasn't an option or a problem, would you want a McMansion? Because the people that also have money and the access, they're kind of over it.